Every designer understands the step-by-step operations needed to create an open pit. We start with a pit bottom boundary, construct a ramp, add a berm, and then another ramp. But what if our road comes to the wrong location? Or if multiple ramps are needed, which makes parallel construction even more complicated? It's time to forget about the manual step-by-step approach to open pit design. We are happy to offer you an alternative solution in our software product. For creating final boundaries of open pits, pushbacks, dumps, and so on. Now, we will give you a brief introduction to how to use the dynamic design tool for bottom-up pit creation. All you need to create the initial pit outline is a closed boundary and a level list. By the way, you can generate the list in either manual or semi-automatic mode. Let's add the boundary as a baseline to the right level to generate a boundary projection. Then click Calculate, and here's the first result. Crests and toes are created based on the level list and its parameters. If we have any geotechnical zones, we can use them as an unlimited number of polylines and define specific design criteria for these zones, such as the slope angle or berm width, or adding double benches. This way, the design pit will automatically use different geotechnical parameters with each creation. Typically, our requirements include having not the one base edge, but several. Also, several pit bottoms, unique configurations of a mining zone at specific levels, and so on. Once we add the boundaries to the right level, they are instantly incorporated into the design. We can also add or delete baselines, either by one or in groups. Now come the roads. There are no pits without roads. To provide access from the pit bottom to the ground surface, we select the starting point of a road at the pit bottom, enter the road parameters, and then click Calculate. What's intriguing is that we can immediately see where the road comes to the surface, interfere promptly if there's a problem with the design, relocate the starting point of the road, add horizontal inserts or switchbacks, expand switchbacks, add more roads, change ramp width, terminate a ramp, and so on. Moreover, at each step of the design, you'll have prompts in the form of highlighted elements, such as individual ramps, the entire level, added baselines, or specific zones. With a focus on road construction, the settings are as flexible as possible at all stages. If one road overlaps with another, we have to make a decision on what to do next. We can stop the progression of one of the roads, add a switchback to the other road, stop both roads, create a third road or two switchbacks. Or, the choice will ultimately depend on your specific needs under given conditions. Now, with just one click, we can add a horizontal road between the switchbacks, or the terminated roads located on the same level. If we need to get involved in the automatic creation process at a specific point or level, we can reconfigure any design line, add, move, or delete vertices, smooth lines, and run any other commands available in the K-Mine environment. That's the benefit of having a package product. We work in one plugin and use the features of other plugins. After changing the design, we apply the changes and recreate it based on a newly added limitation. It doesn't take long to see the result. This way, we can finalize the project, extract more minerals at various levels, etc. To finalize our created object, we configure the output data parameters to specify how the data will be displayed and where it will be located in the file. We have the option to distribute the created object among levels or make it subordinate to the base layer. The result is a ready-to-go design created according to the predefined parameters in the semi-automatic mode. In this case, Each individual layer corresponds to a specific level from the level list. We can hide, show, delete, cut, and perform other operations with the physical objects in the K-Mine environment. And last but not least, the wireframe. In this form, the design makes it possible to calculate volumes, add limitations to the block model, and provide individual references in a limited part of the open pit. Just think how much time it took us to create this design, and how long it would have taken to do it manually step by step. So use it and enjoy the results.